Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. A very reliable source has published supposedly official images of two new mid-range Samsung smartphones, the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. The publication comes ahead of the device's official announcement. According to the latest preliminary data, official renders of the Samsung Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 have leaked online, with massive upgrades and changes. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Samsung Galaxy A series is one of the most popular mid-range smartphone series on the planet. Supposedly official product photos now show the Samsung Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57, featuring a triple camera, flat bezels, and key island, ahead of their official debut. After the Samsung Galaxy A57 recently appeared in certification photos, Android headlines published supposedly official product images, which show the mid-range smartphone in detail. Apparently, the design is largely unchanged from the higher-end Samsung Galaxy A56, which is available on Amazon. Please check the link below the video. Samsung continues to use a display with relatively narrow bezels, a flat frame with a notch on the right side, which Samsung calls Key Island, and a pill-shaped camera module housing 3 lenses. The Galaxy A57 is rumored to be slightly thinner than its predecessor, measuring 0.27 inches thick. The mid-range smartphone is expected to feature a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, a Samsung Exynos 1680 processor, a 5000 mAh battery, and 8 to 12 GB of storage. Rumors also point to a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. Furthermore, the Galaxy A57 is likely to be a thinner Galaxy A56 with a new processor. The Samsung Galaxy A37 will also see little change visually, as the more affordable Samsung phone still features asymmetrical bezels due to a relatively wide chin at the bottom. Like the Galaxy A57, the Galaxy A37 is expected to feature a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging, and a 50-megapixel main camera, with a 1 by 1.56-inch sensor, an improvement over the 1 by 1.96-inch sensor in the Galaxy A36. Samsung has also reportedly opted for an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 are expected to launch in the first half of February. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.